Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on cybersecurity. I am Deepak Nial and here I am going to discuss how to list down all the users in Linux terminal. So if you have attended my previous lecture, you might be knowing that all the users are stored in a file called etc password, and you can see all the users using cat command, right? Let me show you it in terminal. So how you have to see these users using cat command: type cat etc and password. You can see there are multiple users here, right? And in one of the previous tutorials we have discussed that the first one is username, and there are some 7 fields here, right? So now I'm going to discuss all these fields here. So this file have 7 fields, and all those fields are separated by colons. So let us discuss one by one. So the first field is username, and second field is encrypted password, right? If you see this first line, so that means root is the username and x is the encrypted password. And wherever you see x, that means password is stored in a file, and that file is etc slash shadow file, right? So this is the file if x is the entry. So in our example, root was the username and encrypted password is x. The third field is users id and also called user uid. The fourth field is users group id, or in short you can say that it is gid. See the entries here, that means 0 and 0. These both are user id and users group id. And then you can see 1 2 3 4, and here group id is something else, then 5 6 7 and so on, right? When we are talking about fifth entry, it is full name of user. Here you can see in first case root is the full name of user, and all the fifth entries you can see here. The sixth entry is users home directory. In case of root, here root is the home directory slash root. In case of daemon, this is user and sbin and so on. The seventh entry we have already discussed, but for the sake of completion we'll discuss it here as well. So the seventh entry is login cell, and default is bash shell. If you see our lecture on introduction to bash shell, you will find the details there, right? So you have seen that we have used cat command to print this file, but it had 7 entries, right? Is there any way that you can print these usernames only? So there are two commands. One is, first I will write question for you: print only username. And I am telling you it for username only, but you can print any other entry also, right? So what you have to do, you have to use any of these commands. First command is awk, and second command is cut command. We will learn the details in future, but as of now just you can learn them. Awk space hyphen f, then colon means the entries are separated by colon, so we are using colon. Then print, and $1. Dollar is used for variables, and we are using one because we want first entry, and then name of file from which we are filtering these entries. Similarly for the cut, we have hyphen d, then f1 for the first field, and then file name. So let us see these commands one by one. Awk hyphen f, right? Now we have to write the file name, and this is list of all the users, right? Similarly, you can use another command, cut hyphen d and then colon hyphen f1 and then file name, and here you can see all the usernames are here. So I can tell you one more thing also. Let us see in which directory we are, right? This is a root directory, and when we have used previous command, if you write it like this, arrow sign, and then give a file name, maybe users.txt, so all the output will be saved to this file users.txt. So how you can see that? Just see the content and you can see user.txt is new file here. Open it with nano, or you can also use get command, and there is one more command, less and users.txt, so it will show users till this screen, right? Then you can press enter or arrow key to see all the users. This is shown only that much what can be occupied in the screen. Then you can press arrow key to go up or down, right? If you want to come out of this, you have to press q, and now you're out of this, right? So less command is good in this sense that you don't have anything here, right? You have seen all the users and now you're out of that window. You can also use get command. You already know this command, and here you have the all users. You can also use nano command to see that file, and you can see these are all users, right? You can also use other fields. Let us suppose you want second field from that. So I am writing passwords here, and now see less passwords, and here you can see x x x and x, because all the passwords were x because these passwords were encrypted, right? So this is how you can list all the users and filter only some part of that line, right? So in the next lecture I'm going to teach you how to add or delete users. So I think this is enough for this lecture. If you have any doubt or query, you can always write the comments in videos and I will surely respond back. So meet you in next lecture. Till then, thank you so much.